Hey there, we're going to take a quick look at some fun activities that I have done in the past, and it's just a way to show kids, if you have a large project for them, what you might be able to do to gather all of the students' images or the students' work as they complete their work. It's a place for the kids to have that opportunity to just brag about themselves and what they've seen. So one of the things that I did in my math classes was I did an IC math activity. So the students would take pictures, their parents, learning coaches, guardians would then send me images of the math that the students would see. So as you can see in this image, we have numbers, we have weight in 3 different ways, we have our food and calories, and then we have our angles, and we have circles with different spots or cuts in them. We have these windows, and then we have numbers. So just some fun ways to show that how the kids see math. Here's another way that they're seeing math. You know, we have our nutrition facts, we have a square, we have time, and then we have the volume in which a container holds objects. And then let's see if we have anything else that oh, and this one was fun. This was our fun spring break one. So we have lines here, we have page numbers, we have time, we also have a dial. So there's different angle measurements in the dial. Not driver's license, but license plates, number of headlights, the monetary value of gasoline, the odometer, a parking tag, things like that. All sorts of fun things here that the students were able to look at and identify different items in math, different concepts in math that had been taught throughout the year. So just a fun way to show how we could also use Xpress as a bragging tool for students to share their images and then talk about them a little bit. It also brings in that ELA aspect of presenting and preparing a speech possibly. So different ways to use this cross-curricularly as well.